ABE started over 20 years ago, so started by a gentleman called John Harvey. Now John used to have a collision repair shop here in Hamilton, and what happened from there was he started to bring in, or got asked to bring in, some chassis machines to help the collision repair industry, and then from there ABE was born. That's how the business started, and from there it slowly progressed from just chassis machines right through to spray booths, consumable equipment, and also now we do training and servicing and backup and support of the equipment that we sell. So the biggest thing I think from us initially was we had salespeople on the road, and we were looking at how we could improve the process of selling. So instead of them ringing here all the time and going, I need this to be sent, having the ability to be able to do orders on the road was big for us. And obviously the previous system we used was a little bit antiquated, it was a bit outdated and clumsy for what we were trying to achieve. Having good young people in our business who are IT savvy and smart, they obviously looked around and came up with a solution that was better fitted to where we wanted to take the business in the future. And that's about mobile sales. It's about having the ability to be able to see the stock that's on hand so that we can sell it. So B2B's been a big thing for us in the last year, and the uptake has been getting stronger every month, which is good for us, because we deal with about 44 distributors across New Zealand, from the bottom of the South Island in Invercargill right up to Whangarei in the north. We're looking at where we're tracking and how we're tracking every day, how many orders are going out, what the value of those orders are, and what the sales reps are currently doing. The thing that I found with TradeGecko was it was very easy to use. That's what I found, simple to understand and very quick and efficient.